we're going to show the unboxing of the lamps from the house of DURATECH. We have three types of lamps: 50 millimeters, 100 millimeters, and 170 millimeters. The unboxing and how to connect correctly. Okay, let's start. We're going to do the unboxing of the lamp from house of DURATECH. This is a 50 millimeters lamp, LED lamp. It contains one LED lamp, 50 millimeters. It contains a small information about the toolkit that is available also, a roll of cable, and the connections. Also inside, instructions how to program, how to synchronize, how to program also the tunable white lamps that are available. This is the content of the box. Next, we're going to show how to connect in a correct way the cable to the connections that we have. So here we go. We take the cable as it is. It comes like this. First, we pass this white piece that I want to call your attention for this detail. It comes always with 3 silicone rubbers like this that we should place here. One here, another one here, another one here. This will allow us to fix the lamps in the wall through that we will show after. So, connection of the cable, we pass the cable like this. The threads are on this side. The gland kit goes here. Note that you do not push the cable back. And now the connection. Note this is it's like this. We pass the cable. First we need to unscrew completely these tiny screws. Here we go. This is an important detail. The black cable should be inside here, and pull it back. Then you tap the screws like this. The other one like this. You don't have to take the isolation of the cable first. Now it's connected, and here we go. We cut the cable. Then we put the rubber into the black connection, and we are ready to connect to our lamp. When we connect it to the lamp, we're going to take it from the box. We might want to put the finishing. This one is a finishing for concrete. We have this tool that goes here. We put the lamp here, and then it's on the place, and then here we go. Note these pieces really, and then we tight all to the end, very well tight. And now our lamp is well connected and ready to put in place. So let me show you how it works. The silicone rubbers that I spoke before, they should be like this in place, the 3 ones inside. This wall-through allows us to have inside about 2 meters of cable, and then we can put it again inside and put the lamp in place, simply like this. As an example, we have here 3 lamps. We have in all different sizes, RGB, white, tunable white, in all sizes, as I said. So this one is the 50, this one is 100, this one is 170. That also can be fitted in any Par 56 lamp, projector. This one is the white, as you can see. This one is a tunable white. It has 6 different whites: sun white, a cool white, more bluish, warm white, and this one is the RGB. So that's it. If you have any doubts about what we showed before, please contact us through our website ncwg.pt.